In this video, we will learn how to use filter in Excel sheet. So let's start here. I'm showing you one simple trick of filter. So let's see. I have here some data. So I'm going to use here the filter without filter the heading. So I just select here the one location here, the central, west, east. Have so I just select the east location. Then right click of the mouse and click on the filter option. Here you see the first option, the filter by selected cell value. I just click on it. The east location is filter automatically. Again I use the control Z and select the here HEMA manager. Then right click of the mouse, click on the filter option, click on the filter by selected cell value. The HEMA data is showing its filter. I again use the control Z and select here green colored data amount, and right click of the mouse, click on the filter and filter by selected cell color. That's it. Here you see all green fill cell is filter. Again I use the control Z and select the orange color cell. Right click of the mouse, click on the filter option, click on the filter by selected cell color. Again the orange cell is filter. Again I use control Z. Then I select the font color wise. I select the red font color numbers and right click of the mouse, click on the filter option and click on the filter by selected cell font color. Here you see the red color font number is filter. Again I use the control Z and green color font I selected and right click of the mouse, click on the filter option, click on the filter by selected cell font color. Here you see the green color number is filter. So this is a way you can use the shortcutly filter option without use the filter you are heading. It's automatically filter when you use the filter by this way. Okay, so hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.